Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log into your PocketGuard application using your Android phone. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. To log into your existing PocketGuard account, first of all open the PocketGuard application. Once the application loads, tap on the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the screen. In the Sign In area, there are two options you can begin with. Either you can tap on Continue with Google and type in your Google account's credential and sign into your account. Or if you've previously used the email option to sign up for your account, then you can choose the email option and type down your email address in the Email tab. Once you type in your email address, go to the next field and type in your password associated with your PocketGuard account. If you don't remember your password, tap on the Forgot Password link and follow through the instructions. After filling in your credentials, click Sign In at the bottom and you will then be able to log into your PocketGuard account. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.